So this is the phone stand that I was talking about in the last video, and I've been done with it for about a month now. And yeah, so now here's the video. I'm going to be talking about some of the hard parts that I liked, the design process, obstacles along the way while making it, and the end product. So yeah, let's get into it. So as a preliminary entry to the project, I designed a basic CAD file on Fusion 360 and then sent it off to the printer, where after like 12 hours of printing, the extrusion failed and the entire thing failed. So yeah, I ended up with a massive blob of melted plastic everywhere, and I essentially had to restart with nothing. That was fun. So I designed the phone stand as two different parts. One as the base that holds the phone charger itself, like the wireless transmitter, and then the top that goes over it. So instead of restarting the base itself again, I just went ahead and started printing the face of it, because what could go wrong, am I right? Once that finished printing successfully, I went ahead and made some changes to my previous design. I fixed the mount from the base to the holding area, and I made the holes bigger for the faceplate extrusion, so there's more clearance. And then I started the print again, as shown here, in 300 times speed. The total print took around 18 to 20 hours. It was a really long print, and this time it actually succeeded. In the end, the print turned out pretty well, and here's a picture of the base with the charger in it, and here's a picture of the charger itself, which is a pretty generic wireless charger that's relatively cheap on Amazon. And now here's the final video of it working all put together. So that's the end of today's video. In the future for this project, if I were to do another one, I would probably make it like a more ergonomic design to make it look better and feel better in a room and have it be more usable. For the video quality, I'm going to be explaining in great detail and showing a lot of video explanations and stuff like that. And that's a surprise for next week. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.